everyone, my name is Zandile Ungabete Mashile. I am the girl that got kidnapped at Carnival Mall on the 13th of June 2025. So a lot of people have been asking me for an update regarding the incident that happened. So the suspect has been arrested and uboshiwe nalabantu labo bekasebenza nabo. Bebasebenza boy 4. But labo bantu labo baphumile ejele. Sikusele yena lo. So he's been in jail since samthola in July, and angaka appear in court. Soon I will appear in court, I believe. Yo, guys, it is not easy ukuba case. Yo, it really isn't easy. Every now and then mele police station because mele kulungiswe lokho or kufunakala evidence, and icase yami cishe ivalwa, like bekusele kangaka ukuthi icase yami ivalwe because lo muntu ophethe icase yami, he's not doing his job properly. Akayenzi umsebenzi wakhe kahle. Bese kushoda ini kuthiwa guys, bese kushiwo into eziningi that cishe ivalwa le case le because of this person. Like amaphoyisa angifailile on the day of the incident and they still continuing to fail me even right now. But I'm gonna try ngakho konke enginako ukuze ukuthi lo muntu lo angaphumi ejele. Like I'm gonna try by all means. Yesterday I went to the police station. Today I went to court so that certain things can be fixed. Icase yami izokhona ukuchubekela phambili. So that's what's happening, guys. I just hope and pray that the state will not fail me because there's enough evidence linking this person to icase yami kidnapping. So guys, kuningi okwenzakalayo. Every now and then mele police station or mele court because kushoda lokhu ini. So even now we are corner. So the person has been arrested. But guys, it's not easy. It's really not easy. And like you will feel like you are the perpetrator because whatever that you say, iyaquestioniwa kakhulu futhi akuze ukuthi usho ngalento eshoyo. So it feels like I am the perpetrator. But yeah, I'm trying by all means, guys. I am trying by all means to ensure ukuthi lo muntu lo akaphumi because ma angaphuma lo muntu lo uzochubeka yenze lezinto aziyenzayo. So yeah, and thank you to everyone that's been supporting me. Kulaba bangibonayo bakhuluma nami bangiduduze, ngiyabonga guys, thank you so much. But kutholakele lo muntu lo osejele, okokwami is to make sure that akaphumi ahlale khona. Hopefully le phoyisa leli uzoyenza umsebenzi wakhe because we had a meeting with him. Hopefully he will do his job and he will stop failing me, and I hope that the state and the law will